Let's go ahead and import our game assets. You should have downloaded the Sci-Fi Demo assets. It's going to be in a Unity package. Should look like this if you're on a Mac or a PC. Go ahead and double click it while you have Unity open in your project. And what it's going to do is it's going to prepare the project, and then it's going to allow you to import all of those assets. Go ahead and select all. Make sure all is selected. Import. And go ahead and let this import. This might take a few minutes. Once your assets have finished importing, you'll have a game folder. Inside that game folder, we have audio, effects, game models, levels don't touch, and skybox. Now, this environment is using a pre-made scene developed by Unity, modified so that I can teach you additional topics related to the 3D side of things, such as lighting, materials, and reflection probes, which we'll get into in the coming videos. So here we go with our scene. Now, the first thing I want to do is create a new folder called _scenes, and let's go ahead and place our game into that. Now let's go ahead and set up our actual environment. Inside of game models, we have a prefab called level. Go ahead and drag that into the hierarchy. This will go ahead and drag in the level from the adventure creator by Unity, the adventure demo. So here is our environment scene, and what we're going to go ahead and do in the coming video is we're going to add lighting to this, as well as we're going to add a reflection probe and show how we can get very unique detail with very little work and enhance this quality of this scene. I'll see you in the next video.